Good everyone. Our today's nugget is titled The Wounded Soldier. And our text is taken from 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 3. Thou therefore endure hardness as a good soldier of Jesus Christ. A soldier may be wounded, but a wounded soldier is not a useless soldier. In the army of Christ, some wounds come from the enemy that starts. Some come from mistake, sin, carelessness, betrayal, disappointment, hurt, loss, or the pain of being misunderstood. But the goal of God is never to abandon the wounded. It is to heal, restore, strengthen, and return them to purpose. The church must learn the balance of discipline and compassion. Discipline without love can destroy. Compassion without truth can enable, but discipline guided by love brings correction, healing, and restoration. When a soldier falls, we must not finish them with criticism. When a believer is wounded, we must not treat them like a plague. When someone is under correction, we must not turn correction into rejection. The wounded need truth, but they also need love. They need prayer, not gossip. They need support, not shame. They need restoration, not isolation. Even David fell, but God corrected him and still restored him. Peter denied Jesus, but Jesus restored him. The man corrected in Corinth was not to be swallowed up with sword, but to be forgiven, comforted, and reaffirmed in love. So do not mock the wounded soldier. Do not abandon the wounded soldier. Do not bury the wounded soldier. Restore them. Pray for them. Stand with them. Leave them again. And if you are a wounded soldier, remember this. Being done does not mean you are finished. Being corrected does not mean you are rejected. Being wounded does not mean God has withdrawn his calling. Rise again, soldier of Christ. Your wound can become wisdom. Your pain can become purpose. Your restoration can become testimony. And our prayer is, Father, heal every wounded soldier in the body of Christ. Give us heart of discipline, compassion, forgiveness, and restoration. Help me to endure hardness as a good soldier of Jesus Christ. Have a great day, everyone.